Hey guys, welcome to the SolidCAM University channel. This video just want to show you guys on how SolidCAM can program your CNC plasma cutter or your laser cutter. Now for this to work, what we need to do is make sure your plasma cutter or your laser cutter is going to take standard G code. But for the programming side of things, it's very simple and easy. So first thing we'll do is we'll just come up and we have just a simple sketch right here. We don't need to make it a 3D model, so just bring your picture in or your sketch geometry in of that you want to cut out. We'll just go to our new milling and we'll accept this. And we'll go ahead and throw a coordinate system on there. And like I said, there's no 3D sketch right here, so we're just using off a 2D, and we'll just use the define, do our origin, X, Y, and we'll just do a quick flip around our X to get that Z pointing in the right direction for us here. So you can see our Z's going up. Hit the green checkbox. We'll go ahead and accept this. And now we can start programming. So the only thing that you guys really need to use for the laser or the plasma is just a single profile. So we'll come in here, grab our profile operation, grab our geometry, and since we're using SolidWorks, this makes it real easy for you guys. So we can just click on that sketch. It's going to grab my SolidCAM geometry that I want to grab. And for a tool, we'll just call it as a very small end mill. We'll just say a 10th end mill for right now. Hit OK. Levels we're not going to have to worry about because like I said, we're using the laser. And the only thing we want to switch over is our technology. Instead of doing cutter on the left, we'll just do cutter on center for you guys. And I'm going to do no lead in and lead out. Turn that off and save and calculate. And you can see it's coming straight down and starts the burn going all the way through, and then the burn would stop. Then move over to the O, start the burn, stop the burn. So you guys definitely can use the software for the plasma cutters, and this was suggested by one of the Canadian Pacific Railroad guys. So we just want to make a quick video and show you guys how this is done if you guys are using a plasma cutter or a laser cutter. Thanks guys. Have a great night.